Okay, my Calc 2 babies. I know that annoys you, right? It probably does become quite annoying at me saying babies after 100 times, but I'm going to continue to do so because you are my Calc babies, whether you like it or not. This is going to be a very short video. The topic of Chapter 8, Section 6 is integration by tables, and we could rephrase that as when all else fails, can we search the vast array of integration formulas to see if we can find one that matches. So I'm going to be posting in Canvas under Files. I'll be posting a PDF document of some integration tables, right? So if I had to guess, and off the top of my head, I'd say it's probably 100 or 150 different formulas, and I expect you to remember every one of them, all 150. No, I'm just kidding. The idea, it almost becomes a game of matching, right? Can you match the formula to the integrand? And so I will be posting that PDF of those 150 different integration formulas. All I'm going to do is very, very quickly go through this section and just tell you which formulas you should try to use. So on the table that I'll be posting, this would be formula 17, table 17. This one would be example 2. You would want to use 26. On example 3, you would want to use number 84. Example 4 is a little bit tougher. You're going to have to use well, I can't actually. It's 52, 54, 55. I do believe you're going to need all three of them, right, to do this. Now, I could be wrong about that. I'm just kind of going by some rough notes that I had sketched out. For example 5, you would need table 17, 19. And I believe for example 6, it's table formula number 3. All right, so I'm going to let that conclude this video because there's not a lot to teach. I mean, the form should be there of how to set up the integrand once you know a formula to use, but this is more of a when all else fails type of scenario. Not a good place to start, honestly. But because, to be honest with you, when you're looking at 150 different formulas, they all start to look alike after a while. So this is not a good place to start. But on your own time, you can go through and try a few of these integration by tables, and I will go ahead and conclude this section.